love my boogie bowl.
I love my boogie bowl. Look at how glossy and squishy it is.
Mine's pink and I've been saying it since last year.
Mine's better.
No, mine is.
Mine's better.
Mine is. Look how more stickier it is.
Mine's better. Look at mine. Ooh.
Mine's better.
Guys, help us out. Which is better? Like for green boogies or subscribe for pink boogies or do both.